Okay, self-read.
Gavin! We need your brain. All right, let's go. Upload number now.
Great score?
Bulky.
Everybody started crying? Yeah.
Can't see it. Up. That's perfect. That's perfect.
Look at the whistle.
Okay, tip it in.
Next part.
It's 4 center keys. Look for center keys. No, it's fine. We're gonna edit music over it.
Are you seeing this part right here?
Yeah, I am.
Can you see both of those parts?
Yeah, I can. Tip it in. We're past a minute. But not that far.
The next part isn't even being handled when we
Tip it
get.
in.
Get the next part ready.
Okay.
Get the next part ready.
Yeah, I don't think
Get the next part ready. This isn't loose.
we have 3 minutes. Oh no, we
The
don't.
next part.
I
The next part.
Okay, it's ready.
There we go.
No.
Like 3 minutes. 3 minutes
This
until.
isn't loose.
That's usually it's back.
This should have been all the way loose so I could do it right away.
Trumpet.
No. Yeah. Mouthpiece stuff. Okay.
You want to see it being tipped on.
Probably I would do that. That's what I did. I put away.
That's longer than
Your stuff. It's all gone.
It's fine. It's 2 minutes. The bass clarinet's really big and it's hard to.
I just realized we're in the video now.
No, you're not. No, they're gonna add music over. They're gonna, yeah.
Oh.
There's not gonna be any. That's why I'm talking.
So it's really long. And like it won't be in the video.
Excuse
It
me,
will not.
we need a phone.
They're doing a video.
Oh, sorry.
But
We really need a phone.
Video.
Do you know where a phone
not
is?
right now.
We're using a phone. We're using a phone.
Is this not tonight?
Okay.